Today we're reacting to Jhope, DayDream, and Airplane. Jhope, you know, is from BTS. This is his mixtape release. Much anticipated, if you remember.
Oh.
All the rumors. It was actually like topping the charts for a long time, like his mixtape. So this is DayDream.
Jackie's too excited.
I'm too excited. I love this song. I love his mixtape.
I'm actually a bit traumatized by this song because Superstar. BTS has made you like play the full song 20 times.
I played it 20 times, each one.
I can't listen to this anymore, but here we go.
No, but like Marlene likes the actual song, but she's never seen the music video.
Oh.
Yeah, because it would be on like playlists, and so she would listen to it.
It's so him.
It is really
It's
him.
really him.
I prefer Jhope's mixtape over Suga's and RM's because it's not as intense, I feel.
She has another opinion.
She has a... Well, let's just watch.
Yeah.
Let's just watch it.
Sorry.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I like. I'm not saying it's bad. It's cute. Yeah. That's Jhope. Oh, I don't know. That's why. How he is 24.
What's this, 공상 속 답은 모두 나의 연습 Like this, 모두 나의 바다치와 나의 fantasy If I was something If I was something now If I was something If I was something now
love the video.
Pretty good.
You like that, Edna?
Yeah,
You
I
liked
loved
it?
it.
You liked it? Did you catch the other BTS member?
Was it Jungkook?
It was Tae.
It was
Oh.
It was revealed after.
Yeah.
But
Where?
All of us are
via
guessing.
Twitter.
Via Twitter.
Where was he?
He was at the end. He's like, "Wake up."
Uh-huh.
That was Tae sitting down.
Oh.
I know.
I don't know if I like the song itself, but I love the music
The
video.
music video.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It was very colorful.
It's really J-Hope. Our son.
Go ahead, let's go start the other one.
Okay.
Sure. You know, when I first heard this, I actually didn't really like it like that.
Like that.
Mm-mm.
Looks like there's an ad in
Oh, that's gonna be hard to edit out.
Okay, it's part of YouTube.
It's gonna be. I think it's gonna be one of those pop
it. Probably.
Hope so.
Okay. So next is Airplane, which was released like a week after. After DayDream. Well, it was good. It's in his mixtape. It's good. It's more chill than the other one. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Look at the visual though.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그 airplane 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 날고 싶었어 그
Oh, yeah, I like that.
Everywhere 이제 네 쇼에 flashing 터질 때 안전한 너창의 축복을 담을게 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 이제 원 없이 나를 airplane 누군가 나를 기억해 누군가도 듣기도 외롭게 Hey yeah 신경 안 써 그저 웃게 돼 Free champagne in my airplane 구름 위를 매일 구름 위를 매일 구름 위에 내필 구름 위에 jacket 구름과의 케미 구름과 하루 종일 구름 타는 재미 구름 보면 fading 너희 몰라 maybe 몇 년 동안의 비행 컷을 말리지만 몇십만 들 못 이룬 너희들을 위로해줄 때야 그 비행 포인트로 선물할게 Love airplane mode 신경 다 그 누구든지 뭐라던 그저께서 first를 지키며 밤하늘을 볼게 지금 내 자리에 말고 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 너무 태울 때저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 그때를 생각해 이 airplane 누군가는 나를 기억해 누군가도 듣기도 외롭게 Hey yeah 신경 안 써 그저 행복해 성공을 느껴 in my airplane
What did you think of it?
I like it. He has that, correct me if I'm wrong, but he has like that what? I don't give a shit vibe.
I can see that.
I mean, I don't know what it's about, but I like it.
What do you think, Marlon?
I still like the first one more.
You like the first one more?
I love this one a lot more.
No.
I like
Although
both.
the visuals are really nice in this one,
Mhm.
like aesthetically pleasing,
Mhm.
I didn't really like the song itself.
The song itself.
Wasn't my vibe.
And like for me, the other one isn't really my vibe. Like what I like,
Mhm.
which is why when it came out, I was like, oh, like it's still good,
Mhm.
but it's not like what I like. So
The first
I was
one,
like,
when the first one came out, I was just like, that's J-Hope.
yeah.
That screamed J-Hope all over it.
Mm-hmm.
And this one was like, if you, the stage presence of J-Hope, almost.
I mean, the lyrics were really good. Really good.
Mm-hmm. That's what I liked about it. Like their lyrics is like, it's them.
It reminds me of Robbie. The way he
Robbie's,
does.
they're not just
Their
talking about
lyrics.
nonsense.
Yeah, it's like about real stuff. Like Robbie talks about degrading women in videos, and he doesn't like doing that. And
Mhm.
he talks about like, since they're so high right now, like about the shit people say sometimes about them.
Mhm.
Yeah, I can see that.
There's also an airplane part too, but that's with like all the Bangtan members. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to see more videos from us. Bye.
Bye.